So friends, if you are also bored of regular pulao and biryani and want to try something hatke and exciting, then this Chinese biryani recipe is must try. Spicy Chinese flavor, a desi masala twist and resto style taste, all packed in one sizzling bowl. It's so tasty that not just kid, even adults will say, please make that yummy rice again. Quick to prep, fast to cook, and your perfect dinner option is ready in just a few minutes. So without any delay, let's get cooking. So first we will start by marinating the chicken. I have taken about 250 grams of boneless chicken cut into small bite-sized pieces. Now into this we will add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon green chili paste, half tablespoon chicken masala powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, half tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, and half tablespoon Szechuan chutney. Once all the ingredients are in, mix everything really well so that the chicken is nicely coated with all the spicy tangy flavors. Once the chicken is mixed well, we will let it marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, it's time to stir fry the chicken. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. As soon as the oil starts to heat up slightly, add in the marinated chicken. For the first few seconds, keep the pan uncovered and roast the chicken on high flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just to lock in the flavor and give it a nice sear. Then cover the pan with a lid and cook the chicken on a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to become tender and juicy. While the chicken is frying, let's quickly prep and fry the eggs. I have taken 2 eggs here. Into them we will add half teaspoon turmeric to give it a nice yellow color and half teaspoon salt. Now beat the egg really well until everything is mixed properly. Next we will move on to the frying. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, and once the oil is nice and hot, pour in the beaten eggs. Let the eggs cook undisturbed on medium-high flame for few seconds so that the bottom layer sets well. Once the base is cooked, start cutting through it gently with a spatula just like this to create soft scrambled pieces. Next, gently flip the egg and cook it from both sides until fully done. While flipping, start breaking into small square pieces just like this. Keep flipping and lightly stir until all the pieces are well cooked and separated. Once done, transfer the scrambled egg to a separate bowl and set it aside. By now, our chicken is also perfectly cooked. You will notice that there is no excess water left and the chicken has turned soft and tender, cooked in its oven marinated juices. If there is little moisture left, just turn the flame to high and stir fry it for a few seconds to dry it out. Once done, set the chicken aside as well. Now in the same pan where we fried the eggs, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil again. Once the oil is hot, add 1 chicken stock cube. I am using a Maggi chicken cube here. You can easily find this in store or online. And if you don't have it, no worries. You can simply skip it. Crush the cube directly into the pan and let it melt into the oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Stir fry the ginger for 15 to 20 seconds or until the raw smell completely disappears and it turns aromatic. Once the ginger is well fried, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and continue sauteing. Now saute the garlic for about 15 to 20 seconds, stirring continuously until it turns light golden brown. Once the garlic is nicely fried, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chilies. I am using medium spicy ones. Stir them for about 10 seconds, just enough to release their aroma. Next, add 1 cup of finely diced carrots. Keep sauteing for 30 to 40 seconds or until they start to soften slightly. Since carrots are a bit hard, they take a little longer to cook, so don't rush this step. Once the carrots are halfway done, Add half a cup of diced capsicum and along with that 1 cup of finely sliced onions. Now for the sauces we will add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, half tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon green chili sauce and half tablespoon chicken masala powder. Stir everything well on medium-high flame for about 15 to 20 seconds so the sauces blend beautifully with the veggies. I am not adding any extra salt here because the sauces already have enough salt and we have also added the chicken stock cube earlier which is salty too. So no need for extra salt at this point. Once the veggies and sauces are well stir-fried, it's time to add boiled rice. Now I am adding about 400 grams of cooked rice. These were boiled earlier with salt, oil and water then cooled completely. Next add 1 bowl of finely chopped cabbage. Then go in the scrambled eggs we fried earlier. Followed by the juicy stir-fried chicken. And finally add a handful of finely chopped coriander and some fresh spring onions for that burst of freshness and crunch. Now keep the flame on low and gently mix everything together. Make sure you stir fry the rice well so that all those bold Indo-Chinese flavors coat each and every grain evenly. No need to add extra salt here either. The rice and sauces already have enough seasoning. So just like that, in no time our all-in-one sizzling bowl is ready. This bowl has it all, taste, twist and tadka all packed together. Say goodbye to boring dinners because this Chinese biryani is about to become a new star of your kitchen. Serve it hot and watch everyone say this is next level. Don't forget to like, share and save this recipe because you don't get fusion flavors like this every day. If you love this recipe, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing dishes.